Good morning, AP Computer Science students. Today is Thursday, February 4th, and we just basically have a work day today and tomorrow, actually. And so there is no Chapter 6 Part 2 programs. They're kind of broken up into different parts. So we started that Twitter followers yesterday, so that's one of the ones you can be working on today. And then there is linear search one and array list merge one here, and then also an optional one if you get some extra time. Please note that tomorrow is kind of the same thing, other than you'll have a practice test thrown at you. So over these next couple days, you can keep working your way through those programs, those three of them: Twitter, followers, linear search, and array list merge. And then also this Friday, or anytime actually today, if you had time to, you could start work on this Chapter 6 practice test. Okay, so that's kind of where we're at. I will hold a live Google Meet today on Thursday in the event you have any questions or want to go through stuff. I'll probably go through some of these programs with you. And then just a reminder that if you click on these, they have some directions along with help videos. I think most of them have starter code too. So you have some starter code, a direction video, and then some directions on what's going on here. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.